Hello, everybody. We're going to go over story problems again. So if you joined our Zoom on Thursday, we went over a lot of story problems and we worked them together and we solved them and we talked about different strategies. So today we're going to do that again. I'm going to read a story problem to you all and you're going to help me write an equation. You're going to help me draw pictures, and you're going to help me solve it, okay? So for today, you need a piece of paper or something to write on, and then a pencil or something to write with. Miss Helvey has her marker and her dry erase board. If you have that, great. If you have a piece of paper, great. Sticky note, whatever you need, you just need to write, okay? So I'm going to tell you a story problem. You're going to draw a picture, write the equation, and solve it, okay? And then we're going to talk about it. Rosa and Sam were playing with GeoBlocks. Rosa had 4 GeoBlocks. Sam had 4 GeoBlocks. They worked together to make a building with all of the blocks. How many blocks did they use? Okay? So your first thing, what did you have to do? You had to draw it. What were they working with? GeoBlocks. So I'm just going to draw blocks. So I hope you're drawing right now. Miss Helvey is drawing right along with you. After I've drawn my picture, I'm going to write an equation. And I'm going to solve. Okay? There are different strategies you can use to solve this problem, okay? Many different strategies. If you were on our Zoom, remember we had so many good strategies that were shared from all 4 kindergarten classes. And I loved hearing all the different ones because you could learn something from a peer, right? Absolutely. I love learning from friends. Trying something new, learning a new strategy, that's all a part of growing your brain, okay? So, Miss Helvey has shown on my whiteboard 3 different ways, so your paper's not going to look like mine, but it may, one aspect of it. So the first thing I did, I drew a picture. I drew the blocks up here. I drew 4 blocks first, and then I drew 4 more. So then I could write my equation. 4 plus 4 equals, I knew it was 8 because I counted all the blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another strategy you could use, you could start on the number line. If this is my first number in the equation, I'm going to start on that number on the number line. And how many hops do I have to make? 4. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what number did I land on? 8. Did I solve it? Absolutely. One friend in Miss Wernicke's class used a tens frame, and I loved that. Okay? So the first number, he drew 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Then he drew 4 more dots. He added 4 more on the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get 8 total. Okay, so there are different ways to show your work. Okay, so I'm excited to see and hear how you solved your first word problem, story problem. Now, erase if you have a whiteboard, or just go down on your paper if you're working on a piece of paper. And I've got another story problem to share. You ready? Listen with your ears. Jake and Louisa were playing with GeoBlocks. Jake had 4 blocks. Louisa had 5 blocks. They worked together to make a building with all of their blocks. How many blocks did they use? Ooh. So if you need me to repeat it. Jake and Louisa were playing with the GeoBlocks. Jake had 4. I'm going to write that down. And Louisa had 5. I'm going to write that down. How many blocks did they use? So, write your equation, draw the picture, and solve. Then you're going to show Miss Helvey. Ready? All right. On the count of 3, show me. 1, 2, 3. Okay? They had 4 and 5, and together that makes 9. How'd you figure that out, Miss Helvey? I drew a picture. I had 4 blocks, and then I added 5 more. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could use your number line or your tens frame, or everyone has 20 connecting cubes at home. You could use those, okay? So whatever you need to do to solve that problem, do that, okay? It's your own strategy. So make up your own word problem. Make up your own story problem. Send it to Miss Helvey. See if you can create a really hard story problem, and I'll solve it. All right? See you guys.